Chicken wrap. Boneless chicken 1 kilogram. Oil 1/4 cu. Gidner garlic paste 2 tsp. Salt 1/2 tsp. Red chili 1 sp. Usured 6 tsp. Cardamom 6 coriander tisp. Cinnamon stick 4 inch. Cumin seeds 1 tsp. Black pepper 2 tsp. Crush all spices, use 1 sp. Lemon juice 5 tsp. Olives, capsicum, tomato, cucumber, sesame seeds. 200 milliliters fresh cream. 200 milliliters mayonnaise, black pepper 1/4 tsp. Salt 1 pinch. Olive oil 6 tsp. Mix well, sauce is ready. Tortilla wrap. Cook for 1 minute at low flame. Spread sauce. Add chicken. Vegetables. Iceberg. Jalapeno. Roll it. Ready to serve. Subscribe, like, share.